So here I have the RMS Sock Aid Kit. I was going through all the top questions I was seeing. I'm going to answer those for you and hopefully help you out with your purchase. The first question I was seeing was how do you actually use the sock aid? The second question was what is the diameter of it so you know if it's going to fit on your foot? And then the third question was what types of socks does this work for? So let's go into the first question. How do you actually use this? So I have a video going in the corner where you can see me actually using this, but it's really simple. But if you want to see a video of it, it's going in the corner, but all you got to do is just put your sock over the top of this and then pull your foot through and your sock will go right on your foot. They make it really simple. But now on for the second question. What is the diameter of this? So I did measure it. Towards the front, it's going to be 4 inches, and then down here it gets a little bit wider at 4.5. However, this is, not super hard plastic, so if you got to stretch it a little bit to fit whatever width your foot is, it should be able to work for you. So if you got a small foot or a big foot, this should get the job done for you. And now on to the last question was what types of socks does this work for? So it works for any type of socks, tube socks, compression socks, ankle socks, whatever you need, this will work for it. All you gotta do is stretch the sock over it and you're gonna be able to get your foot in there and get it started. But if you're having issues getting your sock on, or maybe a loved one is, this is a super, easy, affordable device that's going to make that process a whole lot simpler for them and just make getting ready more convenient. So this gets 2 thumbs up from me.